Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about how to add the validations to your model. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what do you mean by the validations? Validation means how you validate the data. Means like suppose you have a name, you have a price, you have a stock quantity attributes, right? So if you want like name should be less than 3 characters, more than 5 characters, or it should include such kind of things, or it should be unique, it should be presence, it should be not empty. So such kind of things that is come under the validations. Okay, so active record allows you to validate the state or the model before it gets written into the database. So when before written into the database, it validates whether your data is validated with the our validation schema or not. So there are several methods you can use to check your models and validate that an attribute value is empty or not, or unique or not ready into the database or not. So following are the specific format or many more we have. So this is the basic one. Validates, you have to add the name, the attribute, the presence. Okay, so I will let you know about what presence, numericality, and this is basically all are the validations. Okay, so here we go with this one. So if I just update my record like this, okay, if I go to our model, and here we have the models, right? So models, products, so let's update this with validations. Okay, so this is our validations, right? So validate name means that's important. Validates price, numericality will be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, stock quantity, numericality only integer, not the decimal should be there, and greater than equal to be 0. Okay, let's try to insert some of the products. Okay, is it working in that or not? Let's have a look. So how we are going to insert such kind of things? You have a rail console, so make sure how to do that one. Just go and with the rail console, so it will open the rail console right now. If I'm trying to add the, suppose I skip this one and then add the price and all, then what will happen? Let's try to check it out. Okay, let's try to do this, and it returns false. Why? Because the name is not there. Okay, so presence is there, right? If I go to the database also, here we go with this one. If I go to select, there's no products. Let's try to copy paste the full one. Okay, the validations. Now, sorry, again it will return the false. Let's go through the control Z, and let's try to insert this one. Okay, and here you can see transaction began, products created, is sent to the product, and it returns it true. So this is how the validation works. But in our real life scenario, what we are going to do, we have to maintain it like in the response that that this key should be important, this should not be in teaser, something like this could be the validations part, right? You are thinking like this. Okay, so we are also making such kind of things, but step by step you should know how to what is validation, how to use it. We will do in a CRUD operations, everything we will do, right? So don't worry about that one. So we have a full-fledged series. I'm going to make it for the Ruby on Rails, each and everything, right? So here you can see that one, that we have validated that one. Okay, so rest of the things, if you want to something like this, you want to related to do the model, like you want to make it on the console, so make sure you have to run Rails console, and you here you can do the dummy data insertion, find by, update price, destroy, everything you can do it over here, right? So what do you mean by the presence? Ensures that the specified attribute is not empty, nil, right? So these are the condition. Presence means not empty. Okay, the validations ensures that the name attribute must be present for the product object to be valid, correct? Next, length. Validates the length of a string. So validates username. Length should be minimum 3, maximum 20. So the username must be at least 3 characters long and no more than 20 characters. So this is our validates the length. Numericality means ensure that an attribute is a number. That is numerical means that is for the number. You can also specify options like only, integer, greater than, less than, etc. So here you can see that the price numericality would be greater than 0. Stock quantity numericality only integer, greater than or equal to 0. This ensures that the price must be a positive number, stock quantity must be a non-negative integer. Uniqueness. Okay, so by default, we know that the email should be always unique. So in that case, we can use the uniqueness to be true. This validation ensures that the email attribute must be unique, so no two other users can have the same email address. Format validates the format of an attribute using the regular expression. So this is by default. Okay, so the with URI mail to email expression. So this is the going to validate the email that is correct or not. This ensures that the email attribute matches the format of the valid email address or not. Inclusion and exclusion ensures that the value is included or excluded from a given set. So you can do like this: role inclusion in admin user guest, or exclude in admin and the super user. So this is how here the role must be one of admin, user, or the guest, and the username cannot be admin or the super users. Include or exclude. Okay, so the class product we have read its name presence, so this is already done. Must be a you can customize the message. So if you want to customize that one, the message would be must be must be provided, right? So message you can customize it accordingly, must be a positive number or something. Then we have a conditional validations. You can apply validations conditionally using if or unless options, right? So validates discount price, numericality less than if discounted, then you can define okay according to it, right? So these are, you can say, about the conditional validations. Okay, so you can do like this one. Okay, so this is how you can do that. In the next video we are going to learn about this scan folding, right? So we will learn in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you clear much more point on that one. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.